Tiffany Cano, creative producer of the Los Angeles Tribune's The Pillars of Power, and we are here on a very special day. It's the premiere of The Pillars of Power here at the Culver City Theater. And I would like to invite you into this transformation documentary because it is very healing and very empowering. So come on in. Ooh, and look, we have the incredible Ken Honda with us from Japan, who is a part of the Pillars of Power. Thank you so much. We have the premiere getting ready. We've got a red carpet. We have the movie being played in one of the theaters for our premiere. This is going to be an exquisite day. In the house. We're here. And here's our premiere red carpet line getting started early. What do you think of the movie?
It's fabulous. Loved it.
Thank you.
Very inspiring.
Just like He-Man, I have the power. So if you haven't yet gotten your tickets to The Pillars of Power, then go to that website, thepillarsofpower.com. Grab your tickets. Also stay tuned for all of the various venues that we will be having our movie being played at. Come join us.
Every fear can loosen, every locked door knows how.